Hello again, everybody. Welcome back to Y Guys Farm. Just wanted to give you guys an update on what's going on. Haven't really posted in a while about the garden just because there hasn't been a whole lot happening. One of the big major turn events is that I believe I killed off my tomato plants because we had some very cold weather and I thought I had covered them with sheets and blankets. But apparently I didn't cover them correctly and I left a gap in it. And the tomato plants definitely took a turn for the worse. Some of my plants are doing pretty well. The lettuce looks good. One of my lettuce looks awful. That looks disgusting. And almost dead. Very windy day, so I apologize for the audio. The maybe radishes there, I think. I hope. So I hope those are radishes. So some of those things are going pretty well. The pepper plants seem to be doing okay. This one looks a little rough. Got some weird stuff on the leaves. That's a cucumber. And that's another cucumber. That looks like it's dead. The other cucumber is really in bad shape as well. So I don't know, this tomato plant still looks decent. I actually covered that one up correctly. The most part, it looks like I've kind of failed in a lot of ways. So I guess I just planted things as too early, but I tried. So I'm hoping things will bounce back. The weather should be getting a little bit better. It's windy out here. So hopefully things will straighten out and hopefully start growing and maybe get some fruit. I hate to have spent all this time and money just to have it all be a failure. All right, keep in touch. See you next time. Bye.